Nirok tini payment bagai sung TSF ninggu sini press conference asok maninggu ang nirok ni TSF ni general secretary hamalu an logo tong sini vice president Pintu sini chief organizing secretary Bibas te sini assistant finance secretary Somor an yagaro tong sini joint secretary Reno te sini assist central leaders divisional leaders jotono tongu tini sung press conference asok manik omana nirok sigur sung TSF kedungma sabrong sini movement temano te Roman script nati sung kai pai to 2020 ni sing kisa governor ni sing memorandum loka chang nirok nukhana aman porga sung stride akhoka board by malaika sung memorandum to ya paring to haipana temano jaka government rok assure khai kaje borok sungno ronai white ne to prasa ganang ni sung stride da khaba sung public no amon appeal khaine nirok ni jagawono tak highway kabang ma dong aro jagawono ka sodi sung kha khaige public rok thang pai hasal ka problem haipana usok jorala sung khaimana je jaga ni national highway gana aro no ka sodi hasal khaya yogo aro no ka sodi sung om dai ka se khwang ti sakang ke sung kha khai gi sini demand fulfilling nai sung tabo ke bo malai lia borok sung mai phai ma malai ne sini students from the future thangsa gai tongo sung ma busi nai sung thangsa ka khwarang mati sanai ang public na appeal khainai especially students sung sigi ma kha khna class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko go ko nga thangi tong sung niro ni support na guardians ro niro ni support na niro support khaya ke chini movement success ngla sung jotono no koi nai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo kok borok speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non-Kokbrok speakers. Omo nirok ni will fight. Nirok mabusi nai. Sung Kokbrok saya sung tangai kane bangke any movement success ngla. Thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka. Boto Kokbrok sanaya. Haibana khaijaka bole harassment. Amo sung mabusi nai. Boni bagai TSF sung zebr pana. Sini zeb pantong sa sung khai tong thangnai strike khai probo sung sing leaders or joto case masa kodo thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian ong mabusi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati kusin mai khai tong and our future generation thangnai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail singai ni baksa saka kosi pore maya baiga sunai ba Borno Roman script by Prangzaka government assure kai ba borbo wasoka yes Roman script Prangpana question ba Roman script ba yang nai tabok jeng appeal khainya TSF ready tango TSF bas kai hinga ni ready tango nirok logade tang amas ta question public student logade tang boni bagai TSF khna 24 March 2025 sung indefinite strike dako goi tongo sini TSF dengai sung jota political party jota organization jota student organization jota borok nirona appeal khainai of movement no success khagen bagai sung nogo thugoi tongo isime TSF no sime nai sagai of movement success ngla sung vision of ready khainai haifana nirong ni support karike movement bagai success nai my dear student you should understand nirong ni bai sung fight khai tongo sung case pasai tongo nirong kirigai nogo tong tong hang movement success ngla guardian rok mabusi nai sung sika khana 21st March kokbrok pe bar 12 ni nga thangi tongo baksa hongoi mana exam bahai ge ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tiuprano hor musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba Sung TSF simi khorang kisane haya. Nirok public om mabusina. Students nirok dress kind of hadi. Sung loge tongo. Nirok om mabusina. Sung nirok ni bagai. Sung je khai masak sini phan tok sak sung khai ne tongo. Public rock especially we should understand temanggui dong. Sini movement tangai successnya 50 years nang tangai. Sung mabusina. Bone bagai sung joto organization, joto student, you may be from different community, different tribe. Khanani all movement of participate hagen bai sung koinai. They government of India, government of Tripura, they both nirok directly sung by contact ma khainai. You may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo, guardian tongo, public tongo. Government of Tripura so amon one khaya niro problem solve khai musu thangke sung by direct contact khai di sung ready to talk ni bagai haibana our students should not be played again language natoi question paper subject natoi sini student natoi politics ta khai sakthang sini student ni future monago ta thangthang nei chung nai ge bon bagai sung TSF sung sring tongmalia sini student ni dukhono goi chung baba sapika sung appeal khai nai I appeal all the communities, all the political organizations, NGOs, social organizations to be part of this movement.